Hi guys, welcome back to Adventures with Jeraden. I have a special guest today. It is my cousin Jace.
I'm a goofy one.
Yeah, that is true. We're actually going to be playing some games together on my YouTube channel. Like y'all just comment down below whatever y'all want us to play. Okay guys, so today we are going to be doing a noob versus pro versus hacker.
Wrestling.
Wrestling.
It's just a pillow.
Yeah, it's just a pillow. It's not an actual person. But so basically,
This is channel
this is
Adventures with Jeraden 2.0.
2.0.
2.0 means I'm gonna be
Yeah,
So the ones by itself are Adventures with Jeraden.
Yeah, this is 2.0.
Yes,
The 2.0s.
episode 1.
Yes, this is episode 1.
So we're both. It's gonna be me, him, noob, me, him, pro, me, him, hacker. Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. You did what? Go, man. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Alright, so now I'm going to be the noob. Come on, man.
That's not a noob.
Okay, pro.
Okay, here I go.
Nice. Okay, right now I'm the pro.
Sure, that's a pro. That's like a hiker.
Jace is going to be the first hacker. Go.
Okay, here we go.
Go.
2, 1.
Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Careful, guys.
Oh. Oh. Taking him down, boy. Oh, I thought he was done.
What?
Yo! Oh my gosh! This man is taking it. Oh!
Okay, this is my last move.
Oh no! Ah! Alright, now I'm going to be the hacker. This is going to be the last of our video today.
We're gonna do more though.
Yeah, we're going to do more.
Get out of here.
Hey! That was my other cousin Cole.
That booty head.
3, 2, 1.
Oh God.
Are you?
Is this man okay? I don't know.
Oh God!
He tried to hit me. Uh-oh.
Why 2 chairs?
Guys,
What do you want?
get out of here.
Get out of here. Why do you have to use 2 chairs?
I'm a hacker.
I'm gonna be a dope.
Get out of here.
Okay, so that's the video. See you in the next vlog. Bye.